All right, traders, good morning. Happy weekend. I say good morning. It's for me, so that I know, some might watch this in the evening or in the afternoon, so I should say hello. Okay, so USD CAD was a losing trade, so that is that. Well, what I'll do is we'll go to the USD CAD as well. I'll be getting a haircut next week as well because my hair's getting a little bit out of control. So, I shorted. Now, I think I actually shorted when this candle printing. So I can't quite recall where. I think I was around here. 131, probably a little bit higher up actually. And was this good enough? Probably not. But it moved not too badly, and I was moving in my favor again. And then, as you can see, it would have been last night. It took me out. So actually, I did close this out. It was around here, so it was actually just before. It was about 135 was so I didn't risk a full 2% here, and it's about 1% is at risk on the Aussie Kiwi as well. So I just wanted to keep myself a little flexible because if there were a few moves going on, I wanted to be able to deploy a little bit of cash. I like about 4% max at risk. So on the OANDA account though, if this is going to load up, I believe I had 2%. No. Go back to the per percent account. So the per percent account is for the prop firm trial. So USD CAD. Now, I mean, this is on a 4-hour. So this is the daily. Anyway, I was trying to work out. I think it was a 4-hour entry, but I don't think it was. It might have been an hourly. Okay, let's go to the Aussie Kiwi. So that's our trade. I knew it was a tighter stop as well. No, it wasn't. It was an entry on the hourly as well because I had to stop up at the 55. So it was a pretty tight stop for me, but I was thinking to myself, this has moved strongly lower, and that positive news could come out of the US in regards to, but it hasn't, but it's still rallied a little bit, but it's not a big rally considering how much selling is taking place. So I've just sort of got to be aware of that. And was it a good trade? I'm sort of happy with it, to be honest. I'm glad that I sort of gave it a shot, and I sort of played that game where something like this could happen on a tight stop. Well, not tight, but not like massive. Gold, that's what that's doing. Alright, let's Aussie Kiwi. Hope everyone had a great week as well. So that's that. So I got in here. I just took off straight away. That was about half where I wanted to go to. So I was like, this is pretty good. And then I thought it'd bounce off here. It didn't, but it's flatlined a bit now. So ideally, there's some positive news. The trade talks, US and China, was sort of, it seemed non-eventful, but not bad, but not eventful. And yeah, so I'm gonna probably just disregard this trade for a little while until it moves. It's got to move really pretty much in my favor quite well. I'm risking about 80 pips, so entry at. Now, the main thing is that Aussie and gold were bad trades. I made money, but I didn't properly let them run. Like I closed them out too early. So if I hadn't, I would have been in around 5%. I lose on USD CAD, that's okay. So I'm sort of shooting myself in the foot here a little bit, and I need to be a little bit mindful of that. So because I'm pretty good at closing out trades when it's losing. Like, I don't mess around. I just go, it's not working, I close it. But I'm only slightly better at letting the trade sort of run. So yeah, that's an area that I really need to work on. So that's why I make the videos, help me be accountable and all that stuff. So especially the Oswald Gold as well, Rand. I mean, if we have a look, I mean, let's just, 56. I got a 58. I mean, it ran to, I don't know how hindsight's valuable, but I closed out too early. Like, I'm not even following the rules. So, I mean, and then the Aussie yen as well. Sold at 80. Closed out at 7. I mean, this just capitulated. Like, so, I think it went down to 75 or something. Minus the flash crash, because I wouldn't have been able to close out at the bottom of the flash crash. But anyway, so that's that, and that's Oz Kiwi. So I will be in a position to look for other trades, and I still sort of am interested in the Aussie US. So just seeing how it closed. A small pullback would be great, and a bounce. Well, I mean, that's quite a move. That's, around 70 pips or so. But a bounce off 71.30 would be not too bad. So I'll keep my eye on the Aussie dollar. And how did the Kiwi go? So the Kiwi's actually probably stronger, which is not ideal for my Aussie Kiwi trade, but Kiwi. Let's have a look at USD yen sideways. Let's see this. This sort of reflects the US equity situation as well. So it's been very volatile. So there's a little bit of uncertainty going on, and no one's really leading the way there. So I'll avoid that. USD Swiss. The pound. Just scanning the majors here a little bit. That's great. And just want to see how the euro closed as well. Yeah, so coming back to earth here a little bit. Way too choppy to sort of play though. So we'll go the Aussie dollar as a possibility, bouncing off that zone there. So that will be it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. There might be some backtesting stuff tomorrow. This is sort of the watch list as well. So, but if something else pops up, I'll make another watch list video tomorrow. But other than that, have a great weekend. Bye for now.